Confirming manifest for shipment 402.
Make sure the distribution's even across all 5 inputs.
Confirmed. Flow rate is optimal.
All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Good. The batch is approved for release.
Tank 7 showing temperature spike.
Acknowledged. Initiating cooling sequence.
As alcohol levels rise in the late stage, cooling coils activate to stabilize the mash. This ensures optimal temperatures for the settling sediments.
Pressure holding steady at 50 bar.
Acknowledged. Flow rate is optimal.
Ratios are stable. We have a clean separation now.
Confirmed. The purity is exactly as expected.
The automated diverters ensure only the purest heart of the distillate proceeds, while technicians meticulously
The metered pumps ensure a precise blend, constantly calibrated by our operators to achieve the perfect
40.0% confirmed. Noted. We are recording that now.
sequence confirmed for pallet 4.
Acknowledged. Height check successful.
Once fully encased, the pallets move into the heat tunnel, ensuring a tight, protective seal essential for transport from the Siberian facility.
On the final packaging line, precision is key. Laser printers apply shipping labels while workers scan bar.
Pallet 45, the Siberian Gold order. Bringing it to the main conveyor now.
Roger. We need 2 more for the grouping.
Secure the straps tightly on the left pallet.
Confirmed. Scanner shows manifest clear.
We're holding steady at -5. The road is clear for the next kilometer.
Roger that. Keep the pace.
Take that road, second level up. Watch the clearance on the left.
Manifest confirmed. Seal it up.
Here is the manifest. 40 cases confirmed.
Perfect, thanks. I will sign for these now.
Make sure the labels are all facing forward.
Got it. How about the spotlight here?
Looks good, just a little higher.
Based on what you're looking for, I'd recommend this craft distiller. It has subtle notes of wheat.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
I'll take a closer look at that one.
Your total is $55.20. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
All right, here you go. Have a good one.
See this indicator light? It must be steady green before you proceed.
Steady green. Understood.
Exactly. Now you try the sequence.
The evacuation timing was excellent, particularly from Zone 3.
What about the simulated spill near line 2?
The heating consumption is stabilizing now.
Good. We are maintaining the target reduction.
Cross-check the volume data for batch 79.
It reconciles with the printout. Approved.
Make sure the digital entry is updated immediately.
We must optimize the logistics for the upcoming quarter.
The new schedule accounts for the increased demand in the western sector.
Approved.
Drawing pristine water from deep Arctic wells requires precision engineering, ensuring a steady, filtered flow to the distillery. Seal integrity check complete on Reservoir 3.
Volume logged and confirmed. All systems nominal.
I've drawn the sample from port 3.
The refractometer shows the conversion starting.
Here at the distillery, the viscous mash is carefully transferred through heated pipes.
The optical density is stable at 0.8.
Good, we can start the transfer to the 20-liter vessel.
Rinsing sequence initiated on lower plates.
Clear flow. Looks good up here.
Reroute initiated for the Shanghai container. ETA adjusted to 0800 Zulu.
Acknowledged. All systems green.
So this crisp variety is distilled 5 times for a very clean finish.
Okay.
The potato option here is much creamier.
The potato sounds lovely. I'll take that one.
Hi there, can I please see your ID for the delivery?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. And if you could just sign right here.
Got it, thanks a lot.
The citrus notes are sharp and clear.
Yes, the mouthfeel is excellent on this one. It's approved.
The post-infusion process is critical. As the screens catch the botanicals, workers quick.
We need to ensure the neck taper is suitable for the capping machine. What do you think, Daria?
I've adjusted the radius here. It should work now.
The aesthetic is much cleaner that way.
Stress consolidated quest.
The flavor profile is exceptional. I'm submitting my feedback now.
Thank you kindly. We're thrilled you enjoyed it.
The feedback loop confirms the rising trend in the Western sector. We must implement these adjustments across the Siberian distribution lines by Friday.
Demand spike detected in Sector Gamma.
Acknowledged. Scaling line 4 up by 20%. Notify logistics.
As you can see from the charts, the protein content exceeds your requirements.
The samples look excellent.
We have a deal.
If we reroute here, we avoid the heavy ice near Krasnoyarsk.
Confirmed. That cuts costs significantly.
The calibration sequence is complete.
Excellent. The synchronization with the main line is seamless.
So when you press this sequence, the arm calibrates automatically. Make sure the safety interlock is engaged first.
Alert on line 3, pressure fluctuation.
Compensating flow rate now.
Green status confirmed.
We're seeing a clear correlation between the flow rate and the energy spike.
Yes, the upgrade payback period is strong here. Let's move to the bottling line.
High above this Siberian distillery, the installation of these new solar arrays marks a major step towards sustainable energy production.
The growth rate here is exceptional, passage 3.
Confirmed. Proceeding with the ethanol tolerance test.
Strain 7B is the winner. High yield and robust profile.
Noted. Preparing for the bioreactor transfer now.
The texture on this foil is perfect.
But the blue gradient still looks too warm compared to the screen.
The authentication is complete. Here are your certificates and receipt.
Thank you so much. The packaging is beautiful.
Thank you for your time, sir. Regarding the Siberian Lux, did the new aroma meet your expectations?
Excellent. And how would you rate the exclusive event?
The VIP feedback noted the label texture. We need to roughen this design.
I'm adjusting the digital sketch now. See how this iteration looks.
Yes, that